Hi everyone, Joe Gentile from Sarraf Gentile LLP. I'd like to address a question that just about everybody has if they're considering filing a mandamus lawsuit to deal with an unreasonable delay in getting an immigration petition decided. And that question is, what does it cost to file one, and how do attorneys bill if they do help with one of these cases? And so the answer is that relative to other types of federal litigation, mandamus cases are pretty inexpensive. And the reason for that is because I would say that the majority, and depending on the circumstances, the overwhelming majority of mandamus lawsuits get decided. The government will decide the immigration petition before the government has to fight the case. And before your attorney has to then fight back with the government. So because of that, the cases, most attorneys handle these at least until that point on a flat fee basis. And there are some exceptions to this. There are some mandamus cases that are particularly complex, and they may have to be handled on an hourly basis. Or if your case is one of the cases that the government decides to fight, if you're in that minority of cases, then that may have to continue on an hourly basis, or in some cases, I guess it could be done on an additional flat fee. So that said, for most experienced attorneys that handle these cases, mandamus cases are billed on a flat fee basis. And if it's particularly complex or the case goes particularly deep, then hourly fees become more common. So I'm recording this in March of 2023, and so currently, and at least anecdotally from what I see, the majority of mandamus cases that are handled by experienced practitioners end up getting done for less than $6,000, including the expenses. So, again, it's not it's not a box of popcorn. It's not a nominal amount of money, because there is work that skilled attorneys have to do on the cases, but relative to other types of federal litigation, that's pretty inexpensive. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. And if this information was useful to you, I hope you subscribe for future videos. Thanks.